So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm doing up here. So first you want to expand HE classes root. And now we're going to scroll down till we find MSI package. You might scroll down quite a bit. It might take a while. Here it is, MSI package. You want to expand MSI package. Now once you're on this, you want to right click on shell, and then you want to click on new, and then click on key. Now you want to name this folder as run as, and click on enter. And now you want to click on the run as folder, then you should see default right here. You want to double click on default, and then in the value data, you want to type in install space as. By the way, you want to use the exact same capital as I did and lowercase, so capital I, and then you want to put another space, and then you want to put the and sign, which is most likely going to be on your 7 key. Just click on shift and click on 7, which will then make the and sign, like I'm showing you in the text. And now you want to type in administrator, and then click on OK. Now once you've done that, you want to right click on the run as folder again, click on new, and then click on key. You want to call this folder command, and click on enter. And now once you've done that, you want to double click on default again, and then you want to type in this, which I'll leave down below in the description. It's going to be msiexec space /I space apostrophe %sign 1 apostrophe. I'm going to leave this down below in the description as well. You can copy and paste it, and then click on OK. And now you want to run the program that you're trying to run, and it should fix the problem. If the problem is still not fixed, restart your computer and then run the program, and then the problem should be fixed.